Dan and Brenda here. Wanted to just touch base with you and let you know about our vlogging that we've started up. We are now house, pet, and farm sitters since 2014. We have now got close to 40 house sits underneath of our belts, and we are traveling around the world. There's no restrictions to that where we can go. And we are starting this vlog, and let me shut up long enough for my wife to say a word.
Oh, we started traveling full-time in September 2014 when we retired, and we have taken care of, oh my gosh, hundreds of animals. I don't know how many cats. We showed up for one house sit in Greece and ended up with 13 kitty cats. They were all sweet, but we didn't know we were going to have 13. We were supposed to have 2. Numerous dogs. We have loved on animals all over this globe. And then we've had pigs, cows, alpacas.
Chooks.
Chooks. That's the same thing as chickens, but they call them chooks in different parts of the world.
And plenty of horses.
Yes, indeed.
We actually did a horse farm in Kentucky for about 5 months. And we had some great horses there, riding horses and such too.
And 2 wonderful dogs. We took to the dog park. We had so much fun.
And so here we are now setting up here in Cairo, Egypt. And we've been out and about looking at the, what are they called?
I don't know. What
Sphynx. At the Sphynx.
Oh, the Sphynx and the pyramids. Yes.
So we thought we'd make a little bit of a video to let you know a little bit more about that, but just touching base with you up front.
And we're actually house sitting a kitty cat here in Cairo. Sweet little kitty, Namhe is her name. And I will add a video at the end of this of Namhe because right now she's sleeping and I didn't want to disturb her. So I'll add a video in just a little bit. Hope you enjoy. About it. What is it? What is it? What is it, buddy? Oh, Namhe, my goodness, that was a big yawn. I pull the camera out and you quit talking? Uh-huh.
That you are gonna sit after tomorrow, you have 6 or 7 days to finish it.
Oh,
This will be bigger.
wow.
Great Pyramid, you go up to the chamber, but the Great Pyramid's a bit longer way to go inside. I mean, like a real exercise. Second one, it's much easier to go inside it, but you still have the experience how it looks like.
Yes, okay.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Wow.
Look at this, from a little dirt mound with lots and lots of people to a huge pyramid in the sky. We're here to have fun today, to experience, and Brenda's about to do her bunny dance for you. All right.
Camel pants.
That's right.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
How are you, my friend? Oh, yeah, you got Dan getting on you. Well, I understand. And who do I have? Hello, precious. Look at you. Aren't you cute? I'm excited to ride you. Hello. Hello, buddy.
like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
Looking. Yes, you are, and you did very well. I appreciate it. Yeah. Hi.
Yes, sir.
And? And my fella.
That's for both of you guys.
Whoa!
Just like John.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.
It's just busy, busy, busy with horse-drawn carriages, camels. And then you have your Pizza Hut.
During the time of King Order second time, we protected our casing from down, but it fell off from the top because of erosion, but have been restored so many times. Last time this year, that's why I seen some brownie on it. When you look at the back side, you're gonna see the tail of the line. I mean, the carp, everything that looks like actual line body, the mixed tail, and you know very lot.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Wow.
So tiny statue of Ramses II.
Oh my goodness.
I told you, best class.
That is absolutely amazing. Bracelet there. And a bracelet there. His belt.
"22 feet tall,
22 feet tall.
8 tons, 1 stone."
One solid stone. That is amazing. The backside is eroded due to an earthquake.
He fell over.
He fell over.
During the earthquake, and he landed face first. And that's what allowed his face and front of his body to be so well preserved. And the back was wind blown and water soaked, and it eroded.
And it's the only statue of Ramses, any of them, with a smile on their face. Wow. baking bread. Hi.
ايه يا عم انت خفاف خالص علينا يعني.
لا والله باجي.
لا يا اخويا ما بتشوفوش يا اختي. انت ما بتشوفوش في الصف.
لا باجي.
لا لا بس مش كتير زي الاول. لا والله بيجي.
لا باجي. بس هي الملفات مش كلها.
You want me to come sit?
Come and do one.
Yeah, she's like, come and sit.
لا لا ما تنسوا. زي ابو سعيد. لا تعيش زي ابو سعيد عيش.
Two-handed?
Two hand and round a little bit. Oh!
I may have messed that one up.
She's like, that's not
Yeah, no good.
See the
It's getting
difference.
worse and worse.
لو كان هو بعد
They're going to tip us to leave.
Throw it up in the air. Let's see it. Is that sand? That's sand?
كم هذه انت في
معايا هنا 7.
Hey,
Rice? Wow.
my goodness.
And more rice. Yes.
Pepsi? Yes, diet. Thank you.
شكرا.
Hello.
That pepper just looks so good, doesn't it?
Uh-huh.
It's beautiful and red. Do you reckon it's hot?
No,
It's spicy?
I don't think it's hot at all. I think you need to take a bite out of it. Maybe a bite.
I think I'll just taste it a little bit.
Bite.
Oh my goodness.
Is that good?
And hot.
Ah.
Lips and tongue burning.
Well, you better quickly take a bite.
Oh, I'm not going to take a bite. No.
What?
No.
Oh my goodness.
So this is the beginning of the Sahara Desert. And then here are some pyramids. And then the Giza pyramids are back there as well. But you can't see them because they're actually right back through there. But with the sand, you can't see them today.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth.
High horse over away.
Brenda.
Yes, sit in the middle.
Middle? Am I not in the middle?
Yeah, there you go.